You like them a big thick man a Shenseea using a video them sometimes. Not too big and thick for Shenseea, too big. We'll see man, we can see man tell him.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man a pushing at the traffic. Big up everybody out there. Hope everybody is doing good, and I hope today turns out to be one of your most productive day yet. So welcome to the Dancehall IG channel. So today we're going to talk about the up top boss Teejay. Now Teejay look like him did a do a video shoot. As a matter of fact, he was doing a video shoot, and while him await, him decides him go play some music, and in the process him end up play Shenseea rebel music video. But that's not it alone, people. I'll show you how Teejay one of artists and we are changing the dynamics of dancehall, right? I'm going to show you how Teejay and some other artists I do some different thing from what we used to in a dancehall. But first, let's hear some I tune them.
Oh my God, if my girlfriend is listening right now.
Hold on now. Hold on, play one song from my life first. Hold on, that. Hold on, that. Hold on, let's do that.
Yeah. Strike force. Yeah.
Strike force.
Yeah.
Little boy, buy clothes.
Yeah. Shut your mouth with your little bit of money. Shut up. Life is sweet, let me dip it in a honey.
Yeah.
I can't make my pass catch up, I'm have to play a job. I will be a...
Me not care what boy was say. When I see me, I listen to Jamaican artists.
One time gone, long time gone, when me never have nothing.
Spread your wings.
So when me say Teejay I change the dynamics of dancehall, that me I talk about. Just another little clip there alone. How much artists you hear him play? You hear him play Governor, Ragging King, Movado. When him a play Movado, him say no care where a boy want to say when him a play Jamaican artist, because you know say there's a talk say Teejay and Movado and Alkaline them no good, right? But Teejay no care about that. Teejay a play music, so him a listen to music. I want to know dancehall set up in the last decade at least, right? We see party get interrupted because you play a certain artist. We see other occasion where Poppy sister even lock off her life because her friend requests Alkaline. And the list goes on and on. But people, now me I go cut to the part now where you might watch Shenseea music video, right? So let's take a look at this clip. Here goes.
You like them a big thick man a Shenseea using a video them sometimes. Not too big and thick for Shenseea, too big. We'll see man, we can see man tell him. A big thick man a Shenseea, you know.
No.
You see? Watch it man tell him. Hey, I'm not telling no lie. Come like, no while me I watch show. You come like a grandfather I watch show.
Let me tell you something. You cannot disrespect a man like me.
Yeah.
Listen, let me tell you something. As a man, a Nigerian man,
Yeah.
you cannot come out with me like this and disrespect me like that. Why?
Alright, you know what? Give me the keys.
Which key?
Take off the jacket.
Which key?
Let's get right. Take off the jacket. Take it off. Take it off.
Shenseea, bad girl, you know. One time Shenseea fist me in my back. I just ram Shenseea ramp with me and I tell her say 1 week straight me feel it for.
No, Sensei, no, nah. What are you looking at? No.
Unfortunately, I can't play out the whole of the music video due to copyright issues. But I still find it interesting how Teejay I listen to so much artists. You know, we expect him to hear some Shenseea song, but him there play them here, and him a play the Shenseea song himself for the ladies, and him also play some other artists. Him play other female artists. Now, I don't know how much dancehall artists, male artists, who no hear, you know what I mean, praise or play female artists. I know Vybz Kartel do that a lot still. You know what I mean, artists in general, Vybz Kartel rate and respect you, you know, for you do good music, male or female. So big up the real wasp on that. But people, you know what I mean, Teejay listen some more tune and him play more female artists, more than 2. You see what I say? So this I say a lot about Teejay as an artist himself. You know what I mean? But Teejay one style where I rate to. Him love flip the song them. Couldn't find a video, but him do one video where him say, they girl them hot and them Ross like, you know that song that the Kemar icon, right? So him do the same thing with the Dexter Dab song. You go hear another video. Here it goes.
We fucking with the same damn nigga.
Shanila, we are singing, no. Tell the truth.
That he was seeing you, girl.
Shanila, me not sing about, no. Tell the truth. Yeah, and then no. Tell the truth. Look how me cute. Me not sing about, man. Me not sing about Shanila. No, man.
Fucking with the same damn nigga. Now what we gonna do? Cause he think he's got us fooled. We fucking with the same boy, same.
Say she would like me. Call me if your boyfriend foot too stink, girl. I'ma put on my socks, them. My socks, them. I walk now your living room and don't dirty up your tile, them. Just call me if, girl, call me if.
So no know it's a dancehall IG love and respect the female artists them. So I have to represent for them. I want to say an artist like Teejay, I big them up. Me, I big them up as well. So I could do a count. So far him play Shenseea, him play Shenseea and Denique. So that 3 people. You see me I say. And him still have more for play. Right? So in the next clip, him go play some more song. So this are just a mixture of artists him a play, including himself, right? Because him almost forgot to play a theme song the way him get caught up in a playing everybody else's song. So let's take a look at this clip and let's see the last female artist who him play. Here goes.
It a shake on the place. It a shake up the place. It a shake. Work for me, baby. Tear down the place. It a shake. Loving your daily and treating.
Yeah, hear me, man. God, yeah, man. Keep safe, and stay safe. You want one video shoot, you know, sir. You don't know. One more clout, I'm gonna play my favorite song. I share out myself. Time now, darling. You don't have to call him.
Come on, my fucking right now, in the morning. Sleep on me name and call it. Love there when you.
Mad love for the supporters, them. Mad love to the fans, them. You see me? God, my God, I know. I'm not gone. We're outside. Just gonna mash up two things. Big up on yourself. Keep safe, you see me? Mad.
But nah lie, I like the group of artists them where just a change the thing. Where them just not make ego get in them way, or them just go so boom and not care what people think. Them just a live them life. If I saw them stay, I saw them stay. If I want to hear, you know what I mean, Shenseea, I listen to Shenseea. If I want to hear Jada Kingdom, I listen to Jada Kingdom. And Jada Kingdom was the last artist who I played, just in case you never pick up on that, is the Jada Kingdom and Skilly Bang song, right? But you see that now, if we count how much artists Teejay play overall with all of them collab and everything there, all people, you see me? How much artists you know actually are come on live and play other people's music? Because me watch live and see all female or skip female song, you know, and I say a foolishness, you know. You see what I say? Just because them are no friend. So this is not a thing about just male and female. This is a thing about dancehall. Until it change, you know what I mean? And we have some more artists like Teejay and Shenseea, them when no care. Them just play music, they no business who you be. When I have to be friend with us, listen music. Until them time that the thing now go get better, because if me say Gully and you say Gaza, and me not listen to Gaza music and you not listen to Gully music, how much bigger can dancehall really get? So that's the message I want to leave to the people. So if it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my longtime subscribers, thank you for being here. Keep on liking, sharing and commenting. And again, everybody, just big up on yourself. Hope you have the most productive day, or if you work at night time, most productive night, you know what I mean? And big up on yourself. Stay safe out there and do the right thing at all time. Protect you and your family. All right? So big up on yourself. That's it. I'm out.
We got that one in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yeah, they.